Hey guys, Lucas from Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to talk about some trauma shears. So what we got here is just some basic full-size trauma shears from North American Rescue. Now, trauma shears are a pretty simple kind of piece of kit to carry on you. Any good trauma kit will have them as far as an IFAC goes, so it's kind of a standard thing to have. But if you don't have a pair, these are a really good one to go with. Now, there's not a lot to them, but they're good just to have in general because not only are they good for worst case situations where it's cut clothes, cut straps, cut gear off people, they're kind of just good handy scissors for anything because they're heavy duty. They're not going to last you through an extended use period. Once you cut through a decent bit of stuff, they're kind of gone and not really sharp anymore. But in the meantime, you can cut through a penny with these. So you can put a penny underneath these, cut them right in half. Sheet metal you can cut through, so thin steel, thin aluminum, cut right through it, wire, all that, as well as heavy duty canvas clothing and all that jazz. So these are good. On the tip, you'll see a little rounded bit, and that's for if you're sliding under clothes or in between layers or something. You're only where you need to be, and you're not going to poke anything you don't need to poke, as well as a rounded edge on the top part. And on the inside of these, it's kind of serrated, so you got a good edge right there to cut through whatever need be, and then you have a kind of a hole for certain nuts on medical devices or whatever. And these also have a good kind of soft rubbery grip, so even when wet, they're not going to slip out of your hands. Or if you have gloves, the holes are big enough to fit your fingers with gloves on. So overall, these are a good pair of trauma shears to have on you. Lots of uses. I'd say if you're going to get some for general use, get a separate pair for that, and then keep a pair of brand new ones that are unused for your trauma kit. That way you keep those ones for the worst case situation, ready to go, fully sharp, and not, just banged up and used and abused. So hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Trauma shears are just a good piece of kit to have on your kit or your backpack, first aid kit, whatever it may be. They always come in handy when you least think they will, and they're good for that worst case situation that hope never happens. Make sure you head on VintageSurplus.com. We got some big news. We just became an authorized dealer for North American Rescue, so expect tons of awesome top of the line first aid gear here in the near future that we already carry, and just going to get more of it.